Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox this Joyous wireless Bluetooth headpiece. Now this is used for your phone. If you don't want to plug in a wired earphones, you can use this to communicate calls and listen to music. Now when you're driving, this is very useful so that you don't have to always fiddle around with your phone, and you just leave it in your ear and you'll be able to drive comfortably while talking or conversing with another person over your mobile phone. All right, so this is the box. This is the Joyous P Series JRP5. Okay, so we have here the box. This was given to me by my friend for a Christmas gift. So I'm showing it to you and taking this time to open it with you so that you'll be able to see what's inside and what is the content. And we'll try to open it up and see how it works. Okay, so this is a headset for music. Okay, this has a battery capacity of about 90 milliamps. Okay, an IPX50 56 for the water resistant. Okay, so this is the ear hook wireless earphone. Okay, and this is the back. You can pause the video to see what's in it. So let's open it up. If you're wondering how much this costs, this is around maybe 500 to 600 pesos, or about 10 to 15 US dollars. This is made in China, obviously. It's a very new brand, so we don't know the quality yet, but according to my friend, he's been using it and he's been very satisfied. That's why he gave one to me. And for the purpose of this video, we'll be going to unbox it together and see the contents inside. I think it's still locked in here. I'm going to open it. Doesn't want to move out. Oh, here it is. So it has a very smooth surface. Okay, looks very stylish. Goes with your outfit, whether formal or semi-formal. Okay, so we have this one, and this, I think, is the instruction manual. It comes with a small USB cable, micro USB, to charge your earphone. Okay, and this is the instruction manual. So it's a little bit small. You'll be able to maybe just pause the video if you want to see. All right. So the back side is in Chinese. So it comes with a letter from Joyroom R&D Center. Let me just read it quickly. Letter from Joyroom R&D Center. Joyroom is happy to meet your ears with Joyroom headphones. You will get experience of comfort and health. The R&D team wants to tell you that JRP5 over-ear Bluetooth headset, an upgraded version of the JRP2 over-ear Bluetooth headset, was developed by a professional R&D team after many adjustments. The upgraded version, adopting design concepts of no earplugs and no ear, which was developed according to the R&D team, studied the shape of the ear, nearly 10,000 ears, cares for your ear, no pain, and refuse to hurt ears. Light and thin ear design, and with feature of IPX5 nano waterproof, and apply to the work, entertainment, sports, driving, and so on. It will cause no inconvenience while wearing glasses. It proves to be it needs to be proven. I'll try out these earphones and show you. Oh, this is, I wonder what this is. So let me see the instruction manual, if it says anything about this little piece. Okay, this little piece is probably the where you have your mouthpiece. It doesn't say anything, but I would assume this is for the bottom one. So you can probably put it here, or I don't know. But I don't think you would ever use this one. So this is the earphones. Okay. So I think this is the power button. Okay. So be able to see, I think it's trying to pair with your phone. And if you want to wear it, you can wear it in any ear, left or right. Okay, so it's still trying to pair, and we can try to pair it right now and see if we can find it, and I'll show it to you. So you go over with your Bluetooth. Okay, so go over your Bluetooth settings and try to find this one. So maybe this is the one, JBL clip. Oh no, it's this one, JRP5. Let's try to pair it. So pair. So I think it's already paired. Connected, it says connected. So whenever I receive any calls, I'll be able to hear it from this earpiece and be able to talk back to my friend or listen to the music if I want to. Okay. So there you have it, guys. A very simple wireless ear hook for everybody to use. This is very affordable, very cheap, and if you want to buy it, I'll post the links down below and see if you can get a good deal in any of the Lazada, Shopee in the Philippines, and find out during sale whether you can get it at a much better discount. I'll post also the links down below in the description, so if you need to just buy it directly, up to you. So there you have it, guys, the Joyroom P-Series JRP5 wireless ear hook earphones. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel. We have already reached more than 1,000 subs, and looking forward to more great content to provide to you. All right, thank you very much for watching, and have a good day till the next video.